Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video for you guys. Today's hair is from Besthairbuy. I do have their 13 by 6 pre-plucked lace frontal wig. This is in the style body wig. I do have 18 inches. So this is what the hair is going to look like once you get it. We'll take it out of the packaging, and this is what it looks like. It does come with a hair nut to protect the hair. It comes with a wig cap, and it also it comes with a wig cap. I don't know where I was going with that. So yeah, so this is what the hair looks like straight out the package. This is the standard construction of the wig. You can see it has 3 combs in total. It does have the drawstrings in the back for extra security as well. So that is freaking awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and just run my hands through the hair. Well, I'm gonna show you guys the lace front first. As you guys can see, and I like how it was already pre-plucked, so that was bomb AF. I just love when the wigs come pre-plucked because it's less work for me. So yeah, this is the body wave pattern. I'm just running my hands through it. I love the texture of the pattern up here, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. We're gonna go ahead and dye her because it's fall. Y'all know it's fall. Well, it seems like it's winter, but it's fall, and you know, we just need some fall hair. So what I went ahead and did was bleach the hair, and basically what I did, I just free-balled it. So basically I wanted the roots in the front to be a little bit more lighter, so the copper red color could be more visible than the cinnamon, well, the spice cinnamon that I'm gonna add, but you guys will see when I do that. So yeah, I wanted to have like an ombre of colors, or I probably should say mixture of colors. So I wanted to have like cinnamon, I wanted to have some brown, and I wanted to have some coppery red shades. So that's why it's not all one even tone. I wanted to go for just, you know how fall and the leaves are all different colors. That's what I was going for. So in the back of the hair, I put spiced cinnamon, and I've seen this brand of dye in my beauty hair supply store, so I picked it up. Wanted to give it a try. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be putting on the bottom half. So I'm gonna let you guys watch that. And like I said, it was nothing. Basically, it was nothing like too difficult. I just did it based on, you know, trying to mimic what fall looks like. So that's what I was doing. So I'm gonna let you guys watch that part. Alright, so we made our way up to the front of the hair, and like I said, I wanted the roots to be more of a vibrant color. So this is a coppery red. I don't know exactly what the name of it is, but please do check out the description section below because I'll have the proper dye names. I just know it was like a copper red or a copper or something. I just don't know what it is. So don't forget to check the description section below. But basically I did go ahead and put that all through the hair on the root, and then whatever I had left over I went back and put it down the rest of the hair. So like I was saying before, I just wanted to have an ombre effect, so that's why I did it in that manner. Alright, so this is basically what the hair looks like once it's all dyed, and you guys can see how it has a variety of colors, from dark brown, from cinnamon, and to that red coppery shade. So this is what it looks like once it's rinsed out, blow dried, well, air dried. And this is what it looks like when it's on my hair. I do have a video on how I put on my lace using Got To Be Glue gel. If you guys haven't seen that, please, well, I'll have it linked in the description section below, and you guys can click it inside the screen in the little information box. I think it's on the right or the left hand side. Wait, no, it's on the right side. So yeah, check that out if you guys want to learn how to do that. Super simple and super easy. But I'm gonna go ahead and style the wig. Overall, I really like how the hair turned out. It does definitely mimic fall. I was very pleased and impressed with this hair dye since I have not used it. As far as the hair, it took the bleach very well. I did ended up bleaching it twice because I wanted some parts lighter than others, and yeah, so I did bleach it twice and it held up fine. I didn't really experience any shedding or tangling. However, though, I do feel like the density on the unit was very thick, which I do love. I don't have any cons about the hair at all. This is by far one of my favorite wigs. I love that the hair line is already customized and pre-plucked. It's very easy and very simple to maneuver once all that hard work is out the way. And I love that they did that because, like I said, it's not much work we have to do. So yeah, overall, this is, like I said, one of my favorite wigs. Don't have any cons, not at all. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not already following me on any of my social medias, don't forget to do that as well. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload. So yeah, without further ado, oh yeah, just remember, you only live one time, so make it a good time. So yeah, until the next video, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.